just on the other side of those bushes over there is Lake Superior. This is my grandma's van, like this is crazy. Dude, I totally came off the road on accident. So today a snowstorm is incoming and we're expected to get 6 to 12 inches. And I'm up here with my grandma's van, actually. I blew the engine in my normal car, so my grandma was nice enough to let me borrow this. As some of you guys know, vans make very good campers. If I can swing it, I'd love to do a camp tonight in the grandma van in a blizzard. Oh, I know. I don't even want to leave, bud. Come on. So I just spent the last night here at the Hungry Hippie Hostel. It's a beautiful converted barn. It's a really nice stay, and it's actually one of the most affordable stays on the North Shore this far up near Grand Marais. And you can hang out with Clyde. Clyde, should we go outside? Look at all that hoarfrost. Got the Hungry Hippie chickens hanging out. It's just a great day to be here. The wind's picking up a little bit. So is the snow. I think I'm gonna head into town and get some coffee. Oh, good boy. What a gorgeous day out here, guys. I've had a really good weekend solely because of these folks at Hungry Hippie. We've been shooting a little bit of content for them for their Duluth location. They took care of me, you know, they gave me a place to stay, put food in my belly, just been very hospitable. I'd love to have you guys join me for the other parts of the adventure, but content overload, right? Like I can only make so many different videos and then also have time to make videos for myself. I have a production company and we help companies scale with content creation and strategy. Doing this simple travel content can fall to the wayside because of all the things going on. All right. Got some coffee from Java Moose. Thank you, Sarah. It's always good chatting. All right, I gotta run some errands here. So I am going to head down the shore a bit and do those things, and then I will check back in with you guys later. All right, it's cold. All right, it's been a couple hours and we have about an hour until sunset. So this storm is definitely battening down on us. So it's time to find camp before we get buried. Visibility is definitely limited, but it's not too bad right now. Snowflakes are actually kind of small, and I think that helps a little bit. But the wind's definitely picked up over the last couple hours. It's coming really heavy off the southeast, which up here in Grand Marais, Lake Superior is to the south. So when you're in Duluth, it's actually kind of to the east. But as you go up the North Shore, you're starting to look more and more south. And when the south, and especially eastern winds, when they pick up over here, there's about 300 miles of fetch across Lake Superior. And it can really make the lake agitated and make the waves pretty bad. I think we should definitely go and check out Lake Superior and see if it's getting really choppy out there. Yeah, we got a fair amount of chop. Woo! Ooh-wee. That is what it's about, my earthling friends. Helps to have gloves on. All right, we gotta get to camp. It's getting dark, and I'm running low on gas. All right, we just made it to Grand Marais. Got a couple stops I want to make just in case the snow really goes down super hard. Alright, we finally made it to camp, and it's pretty nasty out there, so I don't really want to go out. But I gotta get the van situated so we can kick back and make some dinner, because I'm pretty hungry. I guess let's get to nesting. So just on the other side of those bushes over there is Lake Superior. Definitely still coming down. Oh. Oh. It is rocking out there. Okay. Oh, don't have lights. That's a little too much. This is gonna be home for tonight. No, don't go out on me. So I think I'm just gonna have to use my phone. Okay, I'm so hungry. I want to eat. Pretty easy meal. Got some pre-cut chicken breasts and then Thai coconut curry. It'd be a pretty simple meal to make, and I just realized I didn't bring any water. I don't need it for the curry and everything, but yeah, we're gonna have to remedy that somehow. I think I have an idea. I think now I just gotta go and retrieve us some water. All right, time to get the boots on. Going to be about finesse because I need to make sure that I can scoop enough water and not get my feet wet. It's pretty cold out here. Ooh, let's get back inside. It's cold. Whew. Sure is colder out there where the wind's blowing. Holy smoke. We've got our fresh Lake Superior water. I'm going to put it on the burner and boil it so we can use it for overall consumption. And I have the tailgate cracked so that we have a little bit of ventilation here. I'll crack this open too a little bit. That Lake Superior water is quite cold. In the meantime, I'm going to have myself a snack because I am really hungry. Look at that, it's literally like a Dorito. It kind of got a Taki flavor, which I'm kind of a fiend for. Chili and lime. Oh, man, it's been a long couple days. It's been a fun couple days, I should say. But lots of travel, lots of shoots. So just being able to chill here and hang out in my own little mini camper. That this is my grandma's van. Like, this is crazy. It's pretty nice actually, right on the shores of Lake Superior. Oh man, leaving this window cracked. Got snow all over my blanket and my sleeping bag. All right, this has been boiling for a good minute or two. Let's set it off to the side to cool down. Oh. Jeez, why am I struggling so hard right now? I don't know if I really have seasonings for this, so... Hey, look at that. I actually got some seasoning. This is from my last camping trip in the Boundary Waters. I don't have any salt. I got lemon pepper seasoning and red striped peppers, so I guess we're just going to use all of it. Alright. Weather just makes it even more cozy in here. That looks so good. Smells amazing in here. Not a bad meal for cooking in the back of Grandma's van. Okay. Warm curry on a cold, blizzardy night. Look at that. Mmm. Oh, that heat feels good. Dude, talk about some vibes. Try some of that water. Oh man, that was so good. All right. One more bite. I brought my comforter from home just in case I need a little extra insulation tonight. Although I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it. This is a nice cozy spot, eh? I mean, this is a bare bones setup too. There's no cost of investment here. Just get yourself a nice mattress of some kind, some foam, some couch cushions or whatever. I think this is just like couch cushion upholstery. And that's really the only modification. There's so much space in here. I can actually sit up, and in my Ford Escape I can't even sit up in. I just have to lay like this pretty much. So quite luxurious, and even a little bit of space to throw the little buddy heater. Just for the heck of it, let's take a look at what the weather's like outside really fast. It's definitely still coming down out there. I don't know if you can see that, but
in ancient times, the land lay covered in forests.
good morning. I slept like a rock last night. Hopefully I can get the van out. I think I've got just enough clearance to get out of here, but it might get a little tricky. Must have got, I don't know, probably 6 inches last night. Let's go check out Lake Superior before we head out. Looks like it might be snowing further down the shore. It's insane. solid block of ice. It almost looks so much like a rock that I thought maybe the rock would be in there, but it's totally solid ice. It's awesome. All right, my hands are getting cold. Oh yeah, snow's a lot deeper here than it was before. All right, let's see if we can get this van out of here. Well, this was a nice little camp right next to Lake Superior, just inside Grand Marais. And if I did get stuck, I would have somewhere to walk to at least, or have some service to be able to call people. So gotta wipe off all the condensation from last night running that heater. All right, now we just gotta get out of the park. Dude, I totally came off the road on accident. Man. I was home free and then I took this turn and went right into the... Ah, shit. If I can get a little track going backwards, I could probably get out. Gotta rock the boat. Almost there. Oh, we're so close. Dude, I'm right there. Damn it. I almost had it and then I went too far into the snow. Oh, it'd be so much easier if I had a shovel. I don't have a shovel. And what's crazy is this turn right here, that's the end of the road. Like you're home free after that. Yeah, both of my axles are up on the snow. I was literally home free. I just needed to do one more rock and I went too far forward and stuck myself in again. So stupid, man. I'm honestly not sure how I'm gonna get out of here unless I get someone to push or tow me out. All right, as I was digging things up, the city of Grand Marais worker is here to help me out. So I ended up getting all-terrain tires on my truck and then the engine blew on it. So now I'm using my grandma's car. I just need a tiny push.
I know, so that's, I'm not too worried, but you should be able to drive out pretty much mostly.
Whew, thank you for that. Yeah, you as well, sir. Thank you. Oh, my goodness.
Get any good pictures?
I mean, this wasn't a whole part of the plan, but you know. Well, thank goodness for Grand Marais Public Utilities, because I really made a mess there. Let's get out of here. Once you get high pointed on the snow like that, it's really hard because all the weight gets taken off of the treads, and then you're sitting there spinning because the wheels aren't making contact with the ground. All right, guys, I think it's time for me to start heading back home. Got a little adventure going. Camped in the grandma van in a blizzard. Got stuck multiple times, and yeah, it was a good time. It's always an adventure up here on the shore of Superior. Keep looking up.